wearing these two advanced vibration plates. So this one is a Lifepro and this one is the Maroc. They both have remotes to be controlled by it. They both have the resistance bands. So this is what the resistance bands on each side that you can attach. They came with some other bands that you can put on your legs and stuff also. So the Maroc here does have Bluetooth, so in that you could play music out of this while you are on there. This one you can see is a lot larger compared to this one. I really like how large this one is compared to this one. So if you were strictly using this just like a vibration plate, these would work really well regardless of the size. But if you're wanting to get a little bit more workouts and more features out of it, this one by the Lifepro would be better because you could do lots of step ups. You could do squats while you're on this thing. You can do those two on here, but this is higher for step ups. Your squat on this wouldn't be as wide as a squat on this. And I'm going to turn this on and you can see the difference in the speed. So both of these do have speed that goes up to 99. So I'm going to be showing you the difference in the speed. So let me just play both of them right now. With the Maroc, this is a speed of 1. It kind of just vibrates like this. If I put my legs apart more, you can see that it jiggle a lot more. On this one, you can see this is the walking speed on here. So this is on 1, but look, notice how my legs are close to each other. If I put it apart from each other, it gives a little bit more jiggle. You can see that this is the jogging part and this is the running part. So you can really see that movement in this. So the wider you are, the more you are going to get vibration out of this. So since these go up to 99, I'm just gonna go by like sections of this. So we'll do like a speed 20, a speed 50, and the 99. The Maroc, this is a 20, and my feet are just like normal apart. This is fully to the max of the 20 on this Maroc. Okay, this is the 20 on the Lifepro, which on my feet are right next to each other. So this is on their walking speed, jogging on here on the 20. And then this is the running on here on the 20. Very, very intense already on the 20 on this when I have my legs all the way spread apart on this. So let me put this on 50. The 50 on Maroc right here, and then if I go really wide, you can see a little bit more jiggle. On the Lifepro, this is me next to each other, and then this would be like comparison of regular standing on that one right there. And then this is super intense. I can't even handle this one right now. So I can really feel everything going on right now on this one. And then I'm just gonna put it on 99 and show you that. Okay, so this is the 99 on the Maroc. And then this is with my legs spread apart so I can really feel it right here and my belly here. Okay, this is the 99 on the Lifepro, which my feet are next to each other. So still not as good of a workout when the leg is next to each other, but when I spread it apart, so this would be like the normal standing on that one. I can really feel it right here, the same parts really. And when I am all the way here, I can feel this all the way everywhere. This is a very intense. Here can go up to 20-minute settings. This one goes up to 15-minute settings, but you could always turn it off, turn it back on if you wanted a longer time frame on your vibration plates. You're wanting something very intense the Lifepro would be my choice. Plus you can do lots of different workouts on here in terms of like planks and doing presses on your back with this and squats and stuff. This, you could do that too, but I feel like it's not as wide and not as high, so the workout isn't going to be as much as if you were going to be using this for multiple body parts. But if you were just to use it as a vibration plate standing like this or sitting down, then it would be enough. But if you wanted intense workouts, I would go with this one. Both are great choices. It's just a matter of you using it as a vibration plate strictly for standing or sitting, or you're going to be using it for like planks and glutes and all that stuff, then this would be my choice for that. This, I would be using this one Maroc as like if I'm watching TV and just wanted to get my vibration on and my lymphatic drainage.